Viruses are acellular in that, by definition of the cell theory, they are not cellular. Main reason, they cannot reproduce on their own. So cells such as prokaryotes and eukaryotes can reproduce on their own. Prokaryotes by binary fission, eukaryotes by mitosis and meiosis. Cells give rise to other cells. Viruses cannot do this. In fact, a virus must replicate by hijacking other cells to use their machinery to replicate. So, what can you say about viruses? How do you classify group viruses? You first group them by shape, of course, by genetic nucleic acids, RNA or DNA, and then sometimes by the organs they infect. So, for example, a foodborne bacteria affects the digestive system. However, sometimes you find viruses, even though they may seem via foodborne, airborne, they infect or attack other specific organisms. With viruses, you need vaccines if available. So, whereas bacteria uses antibiotics to lower the numbers of bacteria, antibiotics are ineffective against viruses. How do viruses replicate? There are 5 stages. The absorption stage, where the virus docks onto a cell surface, so a specific cue on the cell membrane or cell wall locks in to the virus. Penetration, the specific nucleic acid of the virus, whether DNA or RNA, enters the cell, then takes over the cell mechanism and then replicates. Assembly, it's like a production line, more viruses are produced, and then once the virus is finished with the cell mechanisms, then it is released, leaving that specific cell rendered useless. Some important terms: CDC, Centers of Disease Control and Prevention; EPA, Environmental Protection Agency; and of course, the World Health Organization, which we get some important information for infectious diseases.